Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to stop losing your phone. First, establish a designated spot for your phone, like a specific drawer or charging station, so you always know where to look. Immediately download and set up a Find My Phone app on your device. This tool can locate your phone within seconds if it's misplaced nearby or even far away. Also, make it a habit to always put your phone in the same pocket or section of your bag. Technology offers powerful solutions to help you find a lost phone. Ensure your device's location services are always enabled, allowing remote tracking through a web browser or another device. If your phone is somewhere in your home, simply ask your smart assistant, like Google Assistant or Siri, to call your phone. For an extra layer of security, consider attaching a small Bluetooth tracker, which can help you locate your phone within a range of up to 200 feet. Developing consistent habits is crucial for preventing phone loss. Before you leave any place, whether it's a coffee shop or a friend's house, always perform a quick check to ensure you have your phone. Resist the urge to place your phone in temporary or odd locations, like on top of a random shelf or under a pile of papers. Instead, cultivate a mental checklist for your essential items, including your phone, keys, and wallet, before you step out the door. Finally, prevention and best practices can significantly reduce the chances of losing your phone. Always keep your phone sufficiently charged. A dead battery means no tracking. Implement a strong password, PIN, or biometric lock to protect your data if your phone is lost or stolen. Additionally, choosing a brightly colored phone case can make your device much easier to spot if it's accidentally dropped or left behind in a busy environment, saving you precious time and worry.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.